Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a forward bend variation. Step your feet wide, rooting down through both feet. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, legs, and back body. Pausing and upright, moving into a side reach variation. Begin to alternate reaching across your body, moving from right to left, keeping your core engaged and the weight even in your hips, stretching and lengthening through your side body while working through your obliques. Pausing and upright, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.